Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Cash App background color. Let's get started. First, you need to open the Cash App on your mobile phone. By default, you'll notice the Cash App typically only offers two main theme options, a standard light theme and a dark theme. These basic themes usually adjust automatically based on your phone's overall system settings, but there's a way to get more colorful options. To unlock special background colors, you need to order a special colored cash card first. The app connects certain background themes to specific card colors, so when you order a particular card color, you automatically unlock its matching app theme. To start this process, look at the bottom of your Cash App home screen and tap on the cash card icon, which looks like a small, stylized debit card. On the next screen, you will see an option that says Get Free Cash Card. Go ahead and tap on that to begin customizing your card. Here, you will be presented with various card color options available. Scroll through the selection until you find a color that you really like and that appeals to you. When you select certain special colors, you should see an important message pop up that says, Matching App Theme Available. This means that once you physically receive this card in the mail and activate it through the app, you will automatically unlock the ability to enable the matching color theme for your entire Cash App interface. To proceed, carefully follow all the on-screen steps to officially order the card. Please keep in mind that while the card itself is free, there is typically a shipping and processing fee of about $5 to order special colored Cash App cards. After you have successfully placed your order, it might take several business days for the physical card to arrive at your mailing address. Once you receive your new colored cash card in the mail, the next critical step is to activate it within the app. To do this, open your Cash App, navigate back to the Cash Card section, and follow the precise instructions to activate your new card. Now for the final step to change your background color. Once your new card is active, go to the main screen of the Cash App and locate the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. It looks like a person's silhouette, and tap on it. This will take you directly into your account and settings menu where you can customize your experience. From here, scroll down slowly through the list of settings options and look for an option labeled Theme or Appearance. Depending on your specific version of the Cash App, this option might be located under a submenu like Personalization or a similar section. Tap on it to open the Theme settings where you can modify your background color. Inside the Theme Settings menu, you will now see several options for customizing your app's background color. Look specifically for the color option that matches the card you ordered. If you see it, that means the theme has been successfully unlocked. Simply select your desired color theme by tapping on it, and the app will automatically apply the new color to your background instantly. You can now navigate back to the main screen to see the beautiful new changes to your app's appearance. If for some reason your chosen color option is not visible, it could be that the feature is temporarily unavailable for your specific version of the app. To ensure you have access to all the latest features, you should check if there is an update available for the Cash App in your phone's App Store. Update the app if necessary, and then repeat the steps outlined above to apply your new background color. That's it, guys!